Yeah. Hey guys, welcome to Gallup Gardens, where we help you grow good food, better food, organic food on a budget. Come here. Well, baby Sterling has been diagnosed with hoof and mouth disease. We're not going to put him down. I think we're going to keep him. Yeah. So come here. No, leave the camera alone. But what we are going to do today, because I'm home on Friday, is we are going to overwinter our peppers. We're going to prepare them for the cold. It's supposed to get down to 28 tonight and freeze, which will kill all of our nightshade plants, which are our peppers, our eggplants, and our tomatoes. So today we're going to trim our peppers back here. We're going to harvest them, trim them down, and get them ready for overwinter, which is a very simple process. We're also going to pick all of our tomatoes and get ready for a salsa verde. Sterling, what are you doing? Put my camera down. All right, guys, it is too easy. First, we harvest the peppers, and then we prune. So we want to prune them down. Uh-oh, go get the bowl. Go get the bowl. Oh, no, and these are some bell peppers right here. Here we go. Sterling, put them in the bowl. Good job. That's where they go. Look how pretty they are. Got some red and some green on them. Okay. Uh-huh. How's that one taste? No, you eat it. You done bit it. Okay, guys, so we got the good ones off of there. And now we're looking at where to prune, right? So we want to take these side shoots off. Oh, it's windy today. The cold front is definitely coming through tonight. We're having a Friendsgiving tonight, so that's pretty exciting. Hey, what'd you do with the peppers? Yeah. I got a feeling Sterling is just going to eat or take one bite out of each pepper. Okay. There we go. We'll get this one past the node here. I know that looks pretty drastic. And look at that. Chop that one off too. Okay. So we got it down to the Y. We had 4 peppers. I don't know where they went. After this, it's pretty easy. We compost the leftovers. Hey, you stop. Give me my other 2 peppers. We compost the leftovers. We put this in the south-facing window. We're going to give it a good watering before we do that. And we'll see how they fare. I might take them to my civilian job and put them in the window and just let them get a little sunlight. You want them to get about, no, don't do that. About 6 hours a day, minimum, of sunlight. Wow! And I know, leave him alone. He's already a little stressy, okay? A little depressy right now. So you give him about 6 hours a day. And then pull them back out in the spring. We'll probably add a little bit of fertilizer to them. This is why I did the whole grow bag method and the pot method. So they're just easier to move. I don't have to dig them up, put them in, pull them out, you know, the whole thing. So if you want to see how they come out in the spring, well, I guess you're just going to have to subscribe and follow us along. So please like and subscribe. Yeah. Where's those other 2 peppers? Here, buddy. Let me see. So we got 2 more we got to do real quick. These guys are ready to go. Can I see those? Thank you. So these are the dark chocolate peppers. They're absolutely beautiful. Look at that. It's kind of a... Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. He does not like that, Sterling. He does not like that. They're kind of a cola brown. Here, Mildred. Right here, Sterling. Why don't you eat that one? Yeah, tear that one up. All right. So for fall, people think pumpkin spice and I don't know what. Pecan pie. I do think pecan pie when I think fall. I can kill a pecan pie. But we're about to do a whole lot of pepper preservation, salsa verde. Got a whole lot of green tomatoes that we got to work through. Oh yeah. Snip! Snip! Uh-oh, look, we missed some guys. Hey, what are you doing over there? And these greens are going to be really nice for the compost. If you watched last week's short, we, oh look, they're still making blooms. It's too bad. Too bad. But anyway, last week's short was about sweet potatoes and keeping your sweet potato slips over winter. So, ka-cha! But anyway, we composted a whole lot of slips. There we go. Get those weeds out of there too. Did you get them? Did you do a good job? You're a good helper. Yeah. Oh man. What do you think? Do you think in the springtime we're gonna get some good peppers growing back, do you think? The squirrels have been burying pecans in there. We've got them all overwintered. It froze 2 nights ago and they are doing just fine. So just keep a little water on them, minimum of 6 hours of light, and they're good to go.